Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can turn off or disable temporarily or permanently the Windows Defender or Windows Security in our Windows 10 and Windows 11 devices. And so for that, let us begin. So here in the taskbar you will see this up arrow key. Please click on that, and if you see this shield action, shield shield icon here, please select it, and then you will see that that is the Windows Security. So you will be opening the Windows Security window. When this is open, all you need to do is just to go to the virus and threat protection option. So please click on that. And then once you do that, you will see here the current threats, the virus and threat protection settings, the virus and threat protection updates, the ransomware protection. So all you need to do is just to click on this manage settings under virus and threat protection settings. So please click on manage settings, and once you do that, you will be able to see here all the options that are turned on. So please make sure that for the options here that are turned on, please turn them off. So for the real-time protection, if you click this button here, that will be turned off, and you will see a user account control window coming up. Just click on yes, and then once you turn this off, it will automatically turn off the dev drive protection, and then you can now proceed with the cloud delivered protection. Turn that off as well as the automatic sample submission and the tamper protection. Once you're done with this one, you can now close this one, and then if you want to install a third-party application or software in your device that needs to disable the Windows Defender security, and you have disabled already the Windows Defender security, then this time you can now install that third-party application. And once you're done with the installing and downloading process, then just go back to this window and you can turn this, or you can turn on everything in here. Okay, so let me just go back and turn this on. Okay, so once you're done with this one, you can also disable the Windows Defender security permanently by just making a right click, making or opening the run window. So please please press in your keyboard the Windows R key altogether, and here we will be looking for, or we will be typing regedit, or the registry editor. And then once you're done with the typing, please click on OK or enter, and then you will see this user account control window coming up. Just click on yes to proceed. So in here we have the registry editor windows. Let me just minimize everything. So first thing we need to do is to go to the HKey local machine. If you see this arrow before it, please click on that. And then if you see software under HKey local machine, please click on the arrow before it. And as we move on and as we click on the location, it will go on, or it will show in here. So you will be guided with the with what we have clicked when you look in this section here. So we're now in the software, and here we need to look for Microsoft. Policies first, this one, policies. So we are now in the policies, and if you click this drop down button, if you click this arrow here, you will see the Microsoft option. So please click on the arrow before it, and then once we're in the Microsoft option, we will be seeing this Windows Defender option here. So all we need to do is just to select it and then make a right click. You will see this new option here. So bring your cursor to the DWORD 32-bit value. So regardless if you're using 64-bit device, this is the one that we should select. So DWORD 32-bit value. Once you click on that, you will see in the right section this highlighted option here. So all we need to do is just to type disable. So please follow the way I am typing it. So disable anti spyware. So once you're done with once you're done typing the name or the file name, just click on enter, and then make a right click on that, click on modify, and you will see this small window coming up. For the value data, all you need to do is just to type 1 instead of 0, and then if you click on OK, you will now disable the Windows Defender or Windows Security in your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.